Here's how to disable double click to install apps in iPhone. Go to your Settings app, tap on your Apple ID, tap on Media and Purchases, tap on Password Settings, and here you have to enable Require Password option. Tap on Done, go back to Main Settings, and tap on Screen Time. Tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap on iTunes and App Store Purchase. And here select Always Require. Tap on Face and Passcode. Now tap on Face ID and Passcode. Enter here your passcode and disable iTunes and App Store. Now if I go to my App Store again and tapping on Gate, as you can see the double click to install option has been disabled and it's asking for my Apple ID password to install. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-Minute Solution. See you in the next video.